Hey guys, we're back, part two, because we got to find out, will a 22 go through two decks of playing cards? The last video, if you watched it, you saw what happened there. So this time, we're going to do it this way. We're going to take a little black tape here on the top, and then we're going to take it on the bottom. So we don't want these to blow out per se. We just want them to hold together. Now I'm going to take these and put them around my target stand like this. And hopefully this should all hold together, and we'll find out if we can catch this bullet in these two decks of cards. What do you all think will happen is the question. I was kind of wrong in the first one, but this time I'm going to say I think that bullet will be stopped into the first to the second deck. I think it'll be right in the center of that. So I'm going to get this set up out range, and we'll be right back. All right, let's see what it did. Definitely see the bullet hole. It's kind of obvious. And no, it did not go through the second deck, so it's in there. Let's regroup back at the table and find that slug. Okay, crew, let's see what we got. Clearly there's the entry. Now let's tape off here. First deck. Second deck. I was wrong. Now I thought it would be halfway through that deck into this deck, but no, it completely went through this deck of cards, and it is nestled right in the center of that deck. Do you see that slug? Right there. Yeah. Let's see if we can get into this. And there it is. I guess you could say it stopped on the queen. There's your slug. And there you have it. 1 1/2 decks of playing cards. That's what it takes to stop a 22. Or at least this brand anyway. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you had fun. Check out the first video.